Tango. Don't forget who's taking you home. And who's wrong. Adapt to any style, Chicago. Anyway, good morning. Happy Thursday to everybody on the platform. I hope y'all having a good day today. Tell y'all the truth, I didn't know what to wear today. I got up and I put out some short shorts and a fur coat, mittens, and a farm. I didn't know. Because it's cold, it's going to be raining, you know what I'm saying? I didn't know what to wear. So, anyway, I'm here now, and everything is all right. But I hope y'all have a great day. God bless y'all. Be careful. And be safe.